Let us understand how do we find exact value of square root of numbers. We have three examples to work with. All these three numbers are decimal numbers. Find square root of 0.72, square root of 0.48, square root of 0.75. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll discuss how do we find square root. Well, in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send your email to globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. So let's begin with the very first question, which is how do we find square root of 0.72? Now, it is better to write it as a whole number, divide by 100. So I can write 0.72 as 72 over 100. Now that means we have square root of 72 divided by square root of 100. Now 100 is a perfect square. You know square root of 100 is 10. How about 72? Can you write 72 as product of a perfect square times some other number? Well, 36 times 2, right? So we could write this as 36 times 2. Now 36 square root is 6, right? And square root 2 remains, divide by 10. Now 6 and 10 can be simplified. Dividing both by 2, we get 3 square root 2 divided by 5. So these are the simple steps which can be adopted to find exact value of the square root. So I hope the process is clear. You can always pause the video, answer the other two questions. Let's take the second one now. So this time we'll work with square root of 0.48. First step, write it as a whole number 48 divided by 100, which is 0.48. Now 48 is 16 times 3, right? And square root of 100 is 10. 16 square root times square root 3, right? Let me rewrite again, right? We could also write this as square root 16 times square root 3 over 10, which is 4 square root 3 over 10. Dividing both by 2, 4 and 10, we get 2 square root 3 over 5 as our answer. Perfect. Now let's do the last question, which is square root of 0.75. So square root of 0.75, if you write, it can be written as 75 over 100. Square root of 100 is 10. 75 is 25 times 3. You see, in each example, we figure out a whole number which is a perfect square, 25 in this case. 25 square root is 5 times square root 3 over 10, and that gives you square root 3 over 2 as your answer. You see how simple this strategy is? I hope you understand and appreciate it. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, it'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.